Hey, what's up everybody? This is Ola from Mobile Wiz Tech. Today I want to unpack and talk about the TrebLab E3. Another premium feature packed and an affordable price wireless over-the-ear headphones. So stay tuned. Now, first and foremost, I do want to give a big thanks to TrebLab for sponsoring this video. Also, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit the subscribe and the notification bell button so that way you can stay up to date with my channel content. So I won't spend a lot of time on the box here. You can see some of the key features it has here. It also has a 3.5 headphone jack, so that's pretty cool. And it's also included, so I do like that. And it does work with Siri, Google Assistant, and Bixby, and Alexa as well. So that's always a plus. So let's go ahead and open up this box. Okay, I'm already happy because it comes with a case. Nice case there. So I am definitely happy about that. That's always cool. What is this here? A little branding. I'm sure these are not these. This is the manual and a thank you card. So that's pretty cool. Let's put that aside for now. So this is what we've been waiting for. At least I have been waiting for. And these feel really nice, very soft. And I like how they did the branding on this one. It's not as loud, pretty low key, stealth looking. That's pretty cool. And this is really soft. I'm glad these do adjust and turn like that. So that's pretty cool. So it can adjust to your head size or for your comfort level. And of course, this is your charger cable. And what else is in there? This is your cable. I wanted to point out that this is USB Type-C, so this can go to your phone, and then the TRS plug connector, the audio connector, can go right into the headphones. So that's pretty cool that you don't need an adapter to use this. It's already made for the newer phone, so that's pretty cool. I do like that. The main thing that we're here for here is the E3. So you have the noise cancellation. This has active noise cancellation, not passive. So this is the better version of the noise cancellation you would like to have, which is active. And let's see here. So you have your play, pause, phone answering or hanging up, and volume increase and decrease. And you have your charge port there. And it's actually USB Type-C. I didn't even realize that. You see that there? So that's pretty cool. It's definitely a good new and improved version. I can tell already. And your power button. So here's a look at the instructions. I won't spend a lot of time here because it's really straightforward. But I do want to point out that as far as activating the voice assistant, you just hold down the power button for 3 seconds. And that does take care of that. But the rest is pretty straightforward, as you can see there. So again, I won't spend time going over those options. You can see it here. It's really straightforward. Regarding the battery, so if you have a full battery, you can get up to 2 days of playing time at medium volume, but that's with active noise cancellation turned off, and 27 hours at 100% volume with active noise cancellation turned on. So pretty solid battery. That's pretty cool. So now I want to go ahead and give this a test listen. I will make a phone call or two. I'll also look to see if there's any lagging while streaming videos, and listen out for the bass and the audio to see how crisp or clear it sounds. And I'll give you my feedback as soon as I get back. So I have listened to these and I do have mixed feelings about them. I'll start off with the positives. They're very comfortable to wear. The buttons are very easy to access, and the noise, active noise cancellation is pretty cool. It has like 2 different modes. One is the active noise cancellation, which is ANC on, and then when you press it again, it tells you environmental sound. So it puts you like in an environment where you're like surrounded by the music almost like as if you're in a club or in the car playing music. It gives you that feeling. What else is there? I like the fact that you can access the assistant by just holding this button down for 3 seconds while it's powered on. And also, if you hold it down for 1 second while this is powered on, it could tell you your battery level. So it tells you if it's on a moderate level, or it just gives you the level of where your battery is. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what else. When I watched a YouTube video and Netflix, I didn't notice any lagging. It was right on point. So that I'm really excited about that. I am excited, of course, that you get the good battery life out of these too. I'm trying to see if I'm missing anything as far as the positives. Well, if I think of some other ones, I will list it in the comment section or put it in the description. Now, what I don't like is the bass. Now, the bass is pretty decent. I would say pretty decent. It's not the worst. I would say it's more on the medium plus side, not on the loud side. So it's a decent bass level. It's still enough for you to enjoy the music, but you want to be immersed in bass if that's what you're looking for. The vocal is not as clear. It's again, the vocals are pretty decent, but not as crisp as I've heard in some of the other ones they have. What else? I made a phone call and my voice sounded kind of far away is what they said, and a little muffled. And then at other times it wasn't as muffled or far away. So it's kind of back and forth with it. So the microphones on here, I guess is at a okay level, but it's not the clearest as some of the other ones as well. And that was off of one phone call. Maybe that was just a bad connection. I could have tried another one. I will do some more tests, and if it's different, I will post it in the comment section below. But for right now, for my initial test, the microphones on here are pretty decent, but not the best. But as far as all in all, all around for this headset, it is packed with features at a good price. So will I say this is a good buy? If you want, some decent sounding music, if you want comfort, you want those active noise cancellation features, and just the ease of these buttons, and this all around comfort and for your music or watching videos and gaming, then I would say why not get these? Again, it's a good price. You get a lot of good premium features, and that some of the higher end headphones have, but at a more of a higher price, where you can get all those features here at a decent price. So I would say it's a good buy, but if you are particular about some of the negatives or the cons that I mentioned, then it may not be for you. But I think all in all, you will be happy with these. I will have a link in the comment section below, so make sure you look there and use that link, as it does help me out. Again, these are the TrebLab E3. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Also share and subscribe. I thank you for watching, and until next time, keep it mobile.